So today, I'm going to talk about how to use ChatGPT and Google Sheet together to do your stock analysis. The setup required, you need to use a Chrome browser, can be on your Mac, your Windows. You need to have a ChatGPT API key. If you have any question about ChatGPT API key, you can use my previous presentation and overview of ChatGPT on how to get the ChatGPT API key. And then you need a Google add-on on the Google Sheet. It's called GPT for Sheets and Docs. Annie Miller from LinkedIn has posted a detailed instruction how to set this up and use it as well. In general, you are going to download an add-on to the Google Sheet, create a prompt, and then use a formula. If you use Excel before, -GPT, put the prompt in there, and the Google Sheet is going to make an API call to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will respond. Okay, without further delay, let me give a demo. This is the ChatGPT Google Sheet I have put together. On the first column is a stock. You have J&J, Johnson & Johnson, and Apple. And I create a prompt template. A prompt template using my previous presentation on how to build a better prompt. I put down the context. I'm an investor with an investment goal of capital appreciation. I put down, I want to get a good return. I didn't put down specific return yet. On May 2023, I want to buy one stock, and I put the template symbol XX over here. I'll get to that why putting XX. And then I asked ChatGPT using this 4 specific data points: historical stock price return during the May from 2008 to 2013, as well as historical return dividend yield from 2008 to 2013, historical earning per share 2008 2013, and historical price to earning 2008 2013. The reason I picked 2008 to 2013 is that time the financial crisis. The market is very volatile, which is similar to the market right now we are facing. And then I asked ChatGPT, after analyze this data point, what ChatGPT sentiment for this stock on May 2023. Column C is a prompt. Prompt is actually a formula. That's what it does is replace XXX as well as XXX with what coming from column A. So in this case, that's replace XXX with Johnson & Johnson. The second one replace XX with Apple, APPL. All right, now the magic. ChatGPT answer. The first going to do is type in GPT and enter. Here's the prompt. Enter. ChatGPT behind the scene is going to take the prompt you put in and try to get an answer for you. Let me run this one as well. GPT. For Apple. It's loading. All right, there we go. So D2 is for Johnson & Johnson. Based on the historical return, he actually figured out the return is positive, average return 4.2. Dividend yield between the time is 3.2. Historical earning has been steadily increasing, average $5.50. Historical price to earning ratio during May from 2008 to 2000 has been consistent low, with an average of 15.3. All these data points suggest Johnson & Johnson a good investment for your investment goal. Once again, remember, your investment goal is capital appreciation. and should provide a good return on May 2023. Let's take a look at Apple. Apple for sentiment is also positive. And historic return is positive, return of 8.2%. Average yield, dividend yield is lower, is 1.3 compared with Johnson & Johnson 3.2. Historical earnings per share is $11.50, $11.30. And the price to earning is 13.3. It suggests that it's likely to perform well. However, it doesn't say that this is a good investment for capital appreciation. So that's what ChatGPT returns to. A very important part for everybody who's listening to this. This just ChatGPT's answer. This just gives you a good baseline what you want to do for this stock investment. You should continue to do more research analysis, even talk to your financial advisor to get a better opinion on what should be done. But at least this gives you some good idea. All right, so how does this magic happen? Remember I talked about the setup? The setup is very easy. First, we go on to add-on. I already created, so I already have the add-on here. You need to make sure you install this add-on, GPT for Google Sheets and Docs. Install this add-on. After you do this add-on, you're going to see it over here on the bottom, ChatGPT for Sheets and Docs. And from here, you need to do another thing called set API key. You need to apply an API key from ChatGPT and then enter your keys here. Once this is done, you can use in your Excel, Google Sheet Excel to interact with ChatGPT. You could build different star. You can have a different prompt. Ask ChatGPT to give you the answer based on data. All right, enjoy it. Have fun.